This is UCLA Newsweek, November 3rd, 2010. In this edition, what losing the House means for Obama and the Republicans.
He'll be able to take a very aggressive and adversarial position towards Congress if it benefits him.
And in brief, controlling objects with the mind, race and friendship on Facebook, and understanding cancer and aging. In this election wrap-up, Professor Tim Grieling analyzes how Obama might play the loss of the House of Representatives to his favor and the new burden on the Republicans.
After any sort of large punishing loss like this one, there are recriminations and there's blame passed around. And a certain amount of this is going to be attempting to blame President Obama for this. And as the leader of the Democratic Party, some of that will be justified. But paradoxically, he will be rewarded by this. He should actually have an easier time going forward now that he has lost Democratic control of Congress. He should be able to have more freedom to position the party in ways that better set him up for re-election. He'll be able to control the party's agenda in a way that doesn't require as much negotiation with or assent from his allies in Congress. He'll be able to take a very aggressive and adversarial position towards Congress if it benefits him. The Republicans have had the luxury over these last 2 years of choosing any position they like, as long as it's not the Democrats' position, and have everyone be able to join in that and not split their lines. Now that Republicans will be responsible for advancing a legislative agenda and governing, they're going to be constrained and have to reach agreement within their own ranks on something before it goes to the Democrats. And that actually is very difficult. When you look at the bases under which Republicans were elected in this cycle, there's a large variety of Republicans that were elected in this cycle, not all of whom ran on the same platforms and not all of whom want to achieve the same things. They'll need to work together in a way that will expose their faults and expose their divisions in a way that I think will benefit the Democrats as well.
And now, a look at new knowledge created at UCLA. Scientists from UCLA and Caltech have found that humans can consciously regulate the activity of specific neurons in the brain, increasing the firing rate of some while decreasing the rate of others. Even more interesting, study participants were then able to manipulate images on a computer screen using only their thoughts. Race may not be as important as previously thought in determining friendships, suggests a new UCLA-Harvard University study of college students on Facebook. The researchers followed hundreds of freshmen on the social networking site and found that who you live with, where you're from, and your social class and ethnicity are stronger predictors of friendship than a shared racial background. Scientists studying telomerase, an enzyme that helps enable DNA replication during cell division, have produced a 3D model of the structure's RNA core domain. While its overall three-dimensional structure is still unknown, further study of telomerase may help researchers understand its role in cancer replication and the aging process. For more on these and other stories, please visit newsroom.ucla.edu.